Let's see two topics today. So we'll see the web table XPath, how we can use the advanced Selenium concepts to detect the elements. And also we'll see today the extend report screenshot. If the test gets failed, how we'll capture the screenshot. Okay, two things we'll see today. Okay, guys. Okay, I didn't start. I didn't share the screen. Careful. Good. Okay, let me know when the screen is visible. Okay, start from here. We'll also practice with this website. Go to 991. Just start with web table handling using XPath. So write this also, understanding web table structure. It's a simple web table here. Write this also as a HTML tags. So done till this end. Fetch all rows from the web table.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go to a different page. Okay. Write this also. So done, guys. So write this too. Done, guys. So write this also. We'll also see extend reporting. As yesterday we have seen the reporting, but we haven't seen how the screenshots are stored if the test case fails. That is also very, very important, right? Not only the logs are important. Let's say if you're running a regression for 2 days, if the test case fails, logs can give you an idea, but the screenshot will give a perfect picture where it exactly failed, right? So we'll see this scenario too. Just write this particular thing, okay? Extend report for failure screenshot. Dependencies we have seen yesterday. That's fine. Let us see a little bit of coding there. Okay. That's all right. Okay. Everything else is a program. I'll stop the share. Okay. I'll share the screen, guys. First, let us practice few things. Okay. So I'll share the screen in a second. Okay. Is my screen visible? Let me expand this. Is my screen visible, guys? All right. So, so this is a web table. Okay. few of the websites will have web table. Now we have to, there are many scenarios to cover. For example, let's say the question might be for the company Naveen Fluorine Intel, just find what is the current price. Okay, how will you identify it? First thing, what you have to do to identify XPath? First thing, guys.
Yes.
You there? What's the first thing we'll do for XPath?
Inspect.
Okay, inspect. Okay, just see here, this is very, very important. Okay, we will go little depth here now. So this is 429. I want this current element itself. Okay, now if I directly give like this, if I put just Control F, so I'm giving an XPath. You can try for CSS selector. That's totally fine. But I'll use an XPath here. Okay, let me go here 428. So you can directly give TD, which is a division. If I just click and enter, see, it is going to 428. So I'll just write here text equal to 428. Okay, 428.9. Wait. 428.9. Okay, did it identify the exact element?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but now tell me, is this the correct way to identify an XPath? If they tell us, okay, there is a company, Naveen Fluorine Inter, or second one is Chennai Petro, you have to find a current price of Chennai Petro. If they say like that, is this the correct way to find an XPath? Yes or no? What do you guys think? Yes? No?
So basically, like we will find it by tag name, right?
Yeah, that's fine. See, uh, the question was find a current price, let's say Chennai Petro or Naveen Fluorine Inter, you have to find a current price. So this is just giving direct, right? So tomorrow, if the current price changes to 429, will this XPath work?
No, sir.
No, right? So that's what, like, this is little advanced concept of identifying an elements. See here. First and foremost, we have to identify the table. Okay. If I just put over here, you can see these are all headers. TH, whenever the TH is there, just identify what exactly is the table. If you go little up, just see here, this is the entire table. You have to come from the table here, guys. Okay. Or you can also come from this Naveen Fluorine Inter. Basically, you have two options. For example, there is one way to find it out. Now tell me how to identify Naveen Fluorine Inter by next path.
/A,
/A. Good.
and we can find it by text equals to Naveen Florin Intel.
Okay. Good. We can give text equal to that. There is space here. For that, what we'll do, just for the timing, we'll write contains. Okay. I'll write text, comma. I'll just write Naveen for the time being. Okay. So you did identify Naveen Florinta. Okay. Now you have to see here. This is A. Means what? It's a hyperlink. So you have to come up TD. Then you have to see the sibling is 428.9, 18.4, and A. You can understand, right? So this is a TR is the main parent. TR means the row. If I just hover it, If I just add it here, see this entire row. This row contains 4 children. TD, 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 TD. So TD is nothing but division. Okay, a cell value. So inside this, I have a hyperlink. Okay, now should I come up? Should I come up or go down? Not understanding, guys. Should I go up or down from A? So whatever you feel, just try to respond, guys.
Come down.
Up, right? So there is syntax for up. Dot dot slash. Okay? Or slash dot dot. See, it identified TD here. So this is the, just click on enter. So it identified the division. Now I have to use a simple following sibling. So from here, if we go here, TR, this has 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 children. So I want based on this fourth sibling, 1, 2, 3, third sibling. I'll get the current prime. Okay. Just look onto the screen. It might be little confusing or little advanced. That's totally fine. This is the first time you guys are seeing. So there is an XPath called, you have to use slash following hyphen sibling double colon. So I have to use TD. See, it identified A. Now I have to use the same here. Again, I have to identify D. Again, I have to identify the D. Did we get from the Naveen fluorine enter to 428.9? See, now here we have two issues here. Now see, if I want to identify this +8, I have to use the font, or I have to use, there are two siblings after this. Contains or we can actually give okay. Did you identify? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me explain this one again. So they might ask in interview, or if you are doing in a project where web tables are there, they might say, okay, find a group of Chennai Petro, or find a percentage of change of Naveen Florin Inter. So when you get this like this, right? So this company becomes a unique identifier. So this company names, based on this company names, you have to get these values. For example, 428.9, if I just click on enter here, so this element gets highlighted. Okay. Now tell me, so I'll just copy this. Okay. I'll just paste it here for you guys to understand. So just see closely onto the screen and tell me, find a group of Chennai Petro. How will you identify it? You have to come from the basics, guys. How will you identify Chennai Petro? group.
We need to identify first Chennai Petro. From there, we
Good.
need to go up in that first sibling.
Good. Chalo. We'll do the same thing. So here can I write Chennai? Okay. The first sibling I have to identify. Let me remove this also. Did it identify, guys? No? It identified 7.
7.
Wait. It identified 2 things. Okay. See? 4 things are there. So you have to tell me the group will become in the beginning. So we have to give it here like this. First element which I want. Got it? Okay. Now tell me what is the percentage of change in central bank in this particular web table. You tell me how can I identify. Percentage of web table. Percentage of change in central bank.
So text contains central.
Okay. Central bank. Okay. I'll just write central. It should either work. Now, so here there is one simple scenario. So if you just put TD, so it will identify all the siblings. Now, I want this last sibling. So if you see the last one, it is a so font is a child of TD. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For the parent, we use slash. For the parent, we use this slash dot dot. For the child, we use this. Now here I'll put font. That's it. See, did it identify 2.1? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. We'll identify more. Okay. Now I want NCC or okay. I want to find which company has current price of 428. 428. Which company has current price of 428? First thing, what you have to do? Click on this. Click on here. I'll tell this. I'll tell this. This is an also another scenario. I'll ask you questions based on that answer. Okay. So now, first we have to identify which company has 428. So we can take this as a unique value. Of course, it's not unique, but if they ask the question, we can take it as a unique value. So instead of A, we can use TD. Instead of text in here, we can use 428.9. So here, okay, we got this. Now, if I put following sibling of TD, let's say just following sibling, it will only identify +8. I have to go reverse. Okay, 428 is here, so I have to go reverse 18.4, then A, then new Navin Florin, right? So what I have to do? I have to go back here. Instead of following sibling, there is something called preceding sibling. So there are 3 values. So 428, 18.4, A and Navin. So if I just go here, so you can get. So Navin Florin is kind of a hyperlink, right? So can I write like this? They did identify from current price.
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. Let me give this also in the chat. So now I have told two scenarios to identify. We'll see few more things, then we'll go for the coding part. Now, you guys tell me how many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So I have a 26 rows, guys. So how can I identify this web table has 26 rows? You have to identify. See, does this tr give the rows? Yes or no? Is tr gives a row?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me from sorry. Good. Tell me from the table thing from this tag, how can I get number of rows? Come on, guys. No issues. We can practice a lot. I have taken this class only to have the advanced concepts of Selenium or recognition of elements. Tell me how we can do it, guys. So table is a parent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. T-board is a child.
Right.
Okay. So TR is a child of T-body. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now I've given you the hint. So table is the main parent. T-body is a child. TR is a child. Now tell me how to find the number of rows. It's easy. Very, very easy. Just try. Even if it's wrong, not an issue at all. That's what like failure makes a success, guys. You have to always fail to get successful.
Sir, first double slash table.
Good. Double slash table. Since we have only one table to recognize as one, but still we'll take an attribute. Okay. What is the unit attribute in the table?
Class.
Class. Good. Chalo. We'll write at the rate class equal to data table. Okay. Did you identify the table one of one?
Yes.
Okay. So table is a parent. So go for T body now. How will go for T body?
Following sibling.
Yeah, tell me how will go for T body again. Wait. Huh. How will you go for T body? The child of the table.
Following sibling.
Sorry.
Following sibling.
Following sibling. So following sibling of table is what? This one. Siblings means right? Like let's say parent have two children. So let's say one parent X has Rajesh and Manju. So Rajesh and Manju are siblings, right? So now this table is a parent, T-board is a child, not a sibling. To get the child, I'll explain you. Double slash T-body. Okay? Now, so TR is a child of T-body. How will get the rows now?
The following fields.
Sorry? Colon clicker. Can I write like this TR? Did I get all the rows? All the rows. See 26 I got all the rows. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Difficult to understand.
Bit tricky, sir. Actually.
No issues. No issues. Let's have few questions. Okay. We'll go slowly. No problem at all. Now tell me, I want to find a group of the company which has percentage 1 plus 4.1 change. How can I do it? First, identify this. Now tell me You can see here from plus 4.1, the group is here. Okay. How can I go like this? It's going back. So if you're going back, it's preceding. If you're going forward, it's following sibling. Now tell me how we'll go. Try guys, easy only. Even if you're wrong, no problem. Just speak it out. You'll feel confident.
double slash font
Good. Double slash font. Let's go for it. Double slash font.
@class
Okay. So at the rate class. So instead of class, can I take plus 4.1? Can I go for text?
yes
Okay. So let's go for text. So text equal to exactly 4.1. Let me copy this. So it has plus space 4.1. Okay. Now it didn't identify, right? So let me go right click, edit as HTML. See, there is a white space in between. Okay. So for white spaces also, we have this thing, but can I write contains? So this is how you have to modify, guys. Always try and error. Okay, comma. Just if we just write 4.1, it should work. Okay, it identified 4.1 now. Now I want the group of the company which has a change of 4.1. Now tell me how I can go back. So this is TD. So TD has siblings. Font doesn't have a sibling. So to get the parent, guys, slash dot dot. We'll get TD. TD means the division, a table division. Now tell me how will I get a value?
Again double slash.
Double slash, double slash or preceding sibling.
Preceding.
Ready.
Okay. So preceding sibling.
Double slash PD.
Sorry, double slash.
TD, sir.
Yeah. Preceding sibling. Good. Double colon TD. Okay. It got Chennai Petro. Second, it got A. So can I give the entire thing as
One.
1 or 2?
A, sir. A, right?
A group. Did we get from the change which group this company is? Did we got? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Few more questions. Are you guys getting comfortable now? Still tougher? Okay, no problem. Let's go for a few more. Now, I want to know how many column values are here. Okay. How I'll get column values. How to get the column values? How to get the number of columns? So you can see a table, T head, TR, and TH. So practice this also, guys. It's very, very, very important. Okay. We go here. How do I get the column values? Again, what is the first thing we have to use? Table.
Table.
Okay. Chalo. So to get the table, this is the one which we have to get. So again, delete everything, /table,
One class.
at the red class equal to data table. Okay, now I have to see what is the child of table now here.
Thread.
Okay, see, for the column I have to click on here, right? See, this is the column values. So company, group, or all the column values. Okay, now I have to get T head, right? I have to get TR, and I have to get TH. See, did I get all the column values? Yes
Yes.
or no?
Yes.
So I have total 5 columns, and I have total how many rows? 26 rows. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
let me copy this. Okay, let me paste it here. So we'll write a program to find number of rows and number of columns. A simple program. Okay, let me copy the rows also. So tell me again, I just showed you guys how many rows. Okay, wait. Okay, how to find the rows? I just showed you how to find the rows, guys. From where we have to get the rows? Okay, not getting. Okay, good. So for getting the rows, you have to go to table, tables, then T body, then TR. Now 26 rows. See, you are getting all the values. Now, if I want to print each and every value, can I simply type TD? See, all the 130 values are getting here. 26 fives, 130. Yes or no? Okay, good. So, let me copy this. So, let me paste it here. Okay. So, let me write a simple program here. Okay. Very, very simple program. So, let me go to Java, not QCircle, test ng. Yeah, that's fine. It's not a orange HRM, but that's fine. Here I'll just create one simple class. Here web table. So let's say Guru web table. Okay. Let me just give one finish. Okay. So I'll just copy few of the things from here. Okay. I'll give an extend example. So let me copy this. Okay, let the project get built. Here you can see the builds building. Give it a second. Tougher to understand? Tough to understand? Not easy, huh?
Need some practice.
No problem, no problem. No problem, I understand. So practice it, guys. Like when you go for projects, if the projects have web tables, so many other things are the broken links, etc., etc. The more you practice, it's better for you. Okay. So let me go. Okay, still it's loading. Okay, let it load. Give it a second. Now it loaded completely. So let me copy this till till this point. Okay. Oh, I did run. I didn't run. Okay, that's fine. Good. So let me close this. Copy. I'll go to Guru web table. Here, I just want to paste it. So I just want to give close and a catch. Exception E. So I want to launch a browser. I want to create an extend report. So we are not yet creating complete framework. We are still doing few more things to understand slowly the extend report, the web tables, etc. Okay. So let me go here and copy this. And let me give driver.get. Okay. We didn't get driver.get yet. Good. So let me go here. I don't need pom.xml. So yes, let me copy till this point. So after this, okay, let me copy this. Guys, you understanding right what I'm trying to do? At least that part you're understanding, right? Or even that is difficult to understand. So it is Guru 99 web table. Something I'll just try. Guru 99 web table. So here I'll just copy this again. Guru 99 web table. Here also I'll write. So create test will create a test in orange, not orange HRM, extend report. Okay, this will now launch, guys. So I'll just write Guru is launched. Okay, now what's the first thing I did? So I just took this one. No, let me copy this. Can I take like this? Okay, okay, let me close. What is happening here? Okay, let me save this. So here I just have to write test dot fail. Here I have to write e dot get message. Okay, that's it. So at the end I have to give semicolon. Okay, there should be one more, right? Yeah, there should be one more. Good. Now here, can I store the value as a string here? String company equal to driver dot get element find element, sorry, driver dot find element by XPath or what, guys? XPath? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm just giving the XPath here and semicolon. What is the issue here?
I think
Okay,
it's a web element data type.
good. See, web element. Good. Finally, please speak up, guys. Okay, web element company. So can I write this web element now? Can I use this to click on enter here? I'll just click on enter. Here, can I write string company name, something like that, equal to company dot get a text. Now, so I want to get, so from Naveen, I'm just finding what TD of 1. So I'm getting exactly 428 value. So can I log that value here also? Let me copy this. Here I'll just give company name is company name. Or I want to, it's not exactly company name, right? Wait. First, we're trying the current price. So current price of the company is, just I'll write it like this. So current price in rupees of the company is, so here I just go here, I'll just give plus as company name. You guys are getting right? I'm not going too fast. Getting, guys? Not getting?
Yes.
Okay. If you're not getting, let me know. So again, that will be another issue if you're not getting it. Okay. Let's go for it. Now, I have to have to launch the browser. Then also have to close it, right? I have to extend dot flush also. Okay. Let me copy the last two things. Okay. From here, let me go after class also. I'll just read right. Okay. I'll just write after class and I'll just write the test here. Let me go to Guru Web Table. Here, just click on enter. After class, I'll just write once. Okay, let me add the dependency. Just hover this one after class. Okay, it is saying it is disallowed. So maybe I have to do it after this. Okay, so where is the test method? Let us add it here. Now, report should be consolidated, extend.flush and driver.quit. Now let me run this only this particular Guru web table. So right click, run as test ng test. So I'm not running a test ng.xml because they haven't given this particular test to run. So web table should run. So I have to get the value as 428. So did I get, okay, I got 820.8, which is exactly 820.8, guys. Okay, wait. So where exactly is 820.8? Okay, let me see where exactly is 820.8. Copy it. Awesome. Where did you get 820.8? All right. Now, so Naveen itself is not there here. So once you load it, it changes. Awesome. Nice. Once you load it changes, right? Okay. If that's the case, we'll do one thing. Can I copy the entire web table? Copy it as HTML. Let me copy the entire web table. Okay. Let me stop the share. Just you guys bear with me for a second. Okay. Now save as web table. So web table.html. Okay. I'm not sharing the screen yet. Wait a second. Okay. So I'm sharing the entire screen here. So I'll stop this this one. So here, if you remember, so we had a static page which is test pages.java. So I'm just clicking on webtable.html, which is my table now. So this data is static, guys. This data doesn't have anything. So if I want to know Bajaj Corp Limited value, let me hide this. Let me click on inspect. Now I want to know the table, the same thing, the same table. So let me copy this Bajaj. So what should I get the current price? 332.8? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give. Awesome. So let me give here. Wait. Huh. Here, let me give Bajaj. and let me give this link. Okay, because I think the table is dynamic. That's totally fine. We can use this. Let me copy this, etc. Okay, no. I'm just copying this one. So right click, copy, paste it here. Now, just give me a second. So it should get 330.2. Okay, let us see what it executes. So it should load the browser. So it should load as 330.2. Now, see here. Did we get 332.8? Yes or no? Did we get the guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Let me see the report. Now, um, refresh the project. Let me go to reports. Okay, guys. Now, if I give refresh, okay, let me open with web browser. See, Guru web table. So launch Guru web table, dynamic weight, and current price of the company is 332.8. Got the correct answer? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, shall we do a validation also? Okay, let's go to validation. Shall tell me how can I validate this one? Assert dot assert equals. So here I have to give company name, which is not exactly company name, and here I have to give 332.8. Okay, so let me run once again. So Guru web table, right, run as test ng test. See here. So let me go here. So I have to always remember, guys, you have to refresh the project to get the latest result. Okay. Let me right click here, open with web browser. Did we get the current value and also it's a pass? Then asset equal what passed? Yes or no? So let me just write 332.7, something like that, which is not equal here. Okay. Now let me run this. It should actually fail. Now this is where we are doing another exercise to get a screenshot of the failure test. Okay. Let me right click, run as test ng test. So it got failed. Test one run and got failures. Now let me refresh the project. So here refresh, right click, open with web browser. So it gave pass, but it got failure here. So we have to also give, it should go to exception condition. But what was the message it gave? Wait. Okay, let me refresh it again. Maybe it's not a proper. So right click, Open with web browser. So it is 1037. Okay, this is the one I think. All right. So if we are getting this, so it did went to the else screen, right? That is the reason why we got the message. Yes or no? So we got the log that it found 332.7 but found 332.8. So can we add a condition where we want to capture the screenshot? Okay. Now this here, it went to the else part. It added test dot fail also. A message also got. But here assert dot assert equals failed. But here there is a no screenshot capturing. Yes or no, guys? Or if you're not understanding assert dot equals, not an issue. So let me write some other thing. Okay. Let me write webtable1.html, something like that. Let me run this webtable1, run as test-ng test. So it will try to launch webtable1.html. It will not get it. So it will try to find an element. It will not get it. It will go to next section. Okay. So it got pass here, but let's see the error. Right click, refresh, open with web browser. So it got failed, and also it gave the proper reliable method. So XPath Bajaj it couldn't get. Now, what if we also have this error and also we get a screen where we can store the screenshot? Isn't it good, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's right. So good. So let us see a simple function where we can store a screenshot. You just see the screenshot stamp part. One second. First, we have to store. So here I have got the reports, right? Only thing I'll do, a very simple, I'll just write string screen shot path equal to, I want to create something like this only. Instead of reports, I'll just create something called so instead of extend report, I want to write the class name. So for now, I'll just write the method. Instead of launch orange HRM, I'm writing validate guru 99 web table. Let me copy this. Let me add it here. I want to give it as a PNG file. Okay. And also this one should be screenshot folder. It should be in screenshot folder. One more thing I have to do. I will take a file source equal to. So these are all Java things, guys. Again, we're trying to do few Java things. Take screenshot. Takes take screenshot and it takes a driver. I'll explain, guys, don't worry. So hover it to file, it should give you java.io. Hover it to take screenshot. So not yet. Okay. So get screenshot. Get screenshot as output dot file. Okay. So this is basically a syntax. That's it. So let me hover to output. Okay, output. Okay, let's go for taking screenshot. It should come like this. Let me go for output. Output. It should output. Okay, not output type. I think. So let me hover this. Yeah, output type. So output type will be Selenium. That's it. So last but not least, we have to return this screenshot path also. So only thing we have to do, file utils dot copy file, copy file. We have to get the source, which is basically this one, and also we have to get screenshot path. So here I have to write new file screenshot path. That's it. Okay. So now let me copy this all. It should go in the else part. So after extend.flush, so let me go here. So let me copy. Okay, I throw declaration good. So I also have to so I have to return the screenshot. Instead of returning, okay, good. So let me run this. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Run as. So further, I have to give a wrong one. That's good. So let me run this. Run as test engine test. Let's see whether it captures a screenshot or not. Good. So let me go here. Let me go refresh. See, screenshot captured. So validate Guru 99. Now, if I just let us see one by one. Right? Let me go to extend report. So now extend report would be open with web browser. So it got failed. It couldn't find the Bajaj element. So if I go to the project here, open with web browser. Central is there. Let us go for web browser only. Okay. Let me go here, web browser. See, so this is the file which we got, right? If I go here, web table 1.html, this is the only page it got. See, it captured correctly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, I know it is tougher. Let me explain the code. Okay. Let me explain properly. Okay. So, only this part I'll explain. So, taking a screenshot in a failure condition. So, once it fails, it will come in the catch, right? Let me go here. Let me add the screenshot. Okay. So understood, guys. So try will run. So try will run the risky code, right? Again, going back to the days of exception handling. Try will run the risky code. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now it comes here and it opens this page. Then it will try to find this element. What happens if it doesn't find an element? It will throw an exception. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it throws an exception, will it go to catch block?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Catch block, we are giving the screenshot path. Now, understand this. So there is something called take screenshot. If you go to the declaration, it's an interface. This interface has number of things. See, get screenshot as output target. So this is the syntax which it follows. Again, this has unimplemented method. If I go to Guru Web Table, take screenshot will take a driver. If you go here, it will take something. So this is a driver class. So driver is an object of WebDriver interface. Okay. And get screenshot, how you want the screenshot as a file type. Which file type you have specified here? It I want in the form of PNG so that you could take a proper screenshot which has a good high definition. Now, where it should store? It should store somewhere called screenshots, which is here. Screenshots, and the name I have given validate guru99.png. We can elaborate more, but for now we'll see this. Now, there is something called file utils. If you go inside, it's a class. When you say class, it should have unimplemented methods or implemented methods.
Implemented.
Implement. Okay, good. Let me go a little back. Let me close this. Copy file. It's an implemented method. Copy file takes source file and destination file. Now, you tell me, when I say source, are you finding this one? Please? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you're finding the source here, destination should be this screenshot, right? It should store in somewhere here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I gave source and destination as a screenshot path. Now, screenshot path is a string value. If I go here, copy file, it needs a final file object. Understood? It needs a file as a destination value. Can I give object as a string value here? So can I create a new file object because it needs a file? String is a string. Also, it's considered as an object, but it is not a file object. That's why I created a new file. Understood?
So in line 62,
Ah,
when I get screenshot as output type dot file, what is that file stands for?
okay. Output type. What is the output type here? Go inside interface. So interface has unimplemented methods. Now, what exactly is there? ToString is there. Convert from PNG is there. Now, what are we interested in? We're interested in file. Let me copy this. The interface output type has a method called file. What exactly it does? It has a number of things. See, when you have output file type file equal to new file. Again, it is calling a class, right? When you go inside here, output type is interface, but when you're creating an object of it, let me go a little up. So we are getting, wait, I'm going to file, yeah. File, interface, we are creating a object of it. Just like how we had list of greater than less than and then array list, right? So we're creating an object of file. Now, this file can have a number of methods. convert to bytes, return save data, private file method, etc. So we are interested in screenshot.png. So PNG creates a file. So if you are really interested, this output type, if I put dot, it contains a number of things. So base 64 bytes or file. If I go here, so it has what? Base 64 file is the one. I saw somewhere base 64. Bytes is the one. And base 64 is the one. So if we want to save as an output base 64, we will not get a proper PNG value. So if you want to save the file as bytes, we will not get a PNG value. So only thing we can use is file. Okay, that's why I have used here dot file. Again, file is what? A class. Sorry, file is a type which we are using it here. It's an output. It's a Java IO file. Again, if you go inside, this is the one which we are using. Understood? Little complex, but you're getting the point.
Yes, sir. So that screenshot will be stored as PNG. For that, we are giving this one.
Yes. So this is a source. We are telling if it fails, take a screenshot as a file type. Now, which file type here we are specifying? Let's say I want to give JPJ. Let's see whether it can store it as a JPJ. For that, we have to put a wrong URL. Okay. Let's see here. Guru web table, run as test ng test. Since I have given the dynamic wait of 10 seconds, it will wait for the browser to load. Okay. Now, let me right click, refresh. See, it saved as JPJ as a file type. Open with other web browser. I'm interested in web browser only. See, it saved as JPJ. So it's saved as a file type. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Okay. And also, if you hover at the extent report, it should be the latest one. Open with the web browser. See, it is not finding element Bajaj. And if you see the screenshot, this is what happened. Because it's a wrong URL, it couldn't find the image. Is it now clear what exactly is happening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us go a little step further. Any more doubts, guys? Any doubts from this? I know it is a little bit complex, but are you getting it? Are you guys understanding it?
So that 53rd line, that expert you have given now.
Yeah,
Can you explain that expert once again?
yeah, sure. Let's go. I think you are not present, I feel. That's not an issue. Let's see the next part. Now, this is a web table. Okay. So web table is this one. So it has body, T head is for headers, T body is the entire body. Okay. Now, if I want to find a current price of, let's say, Hind petrol, current price. Okay. I know the value of Hind petrol, but I don't know the value of current price. So I'll just use like this, Control F, double slash. Now, Hind petrol, I have to go here. I have to copy it. It's a K. Now tell me how to find a X path of Hind petrol.
/A.
Double slash A.
No. Text contains Bajaj, sorry, Hind petrol.
So contains, okay, TAINS contains text. Okay. So I'll just write Hind dot petrol. I'll just write Hind dot petrol. I got Hind dot petrol. Now, if I go here, there are 1A 775 and there is a current price. So there are three levels down, 1, 2, and 3. But the A is this one. Hind petrol is in a tag, which is a hyperlink. To go from child to parent, we'll use slash double dot. Okay. If I just put here, it's a TD now. See, it's a TD. If I just remove it, if you can enter, it's a A. You just see here, it's a slash double slash, it's a TD. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood, guys?
Yes.
So, Hind petrol, a number of things are there. Okay. Let us forget about Hind petrol. So, let me write Bharat Petroleum or maybe Bajaj only, all right. Okay. That will be better, I think. Okay. I think Bajaj is unique. Okay. Bajaj. So, Bajaj is one of one. If I put slash dot dot, it will go to the parent, TD. Okay. There is a method called following sibling. So if you want to search the siblings of this, it's a TD here. See, it's a TR. Means it's a row. Bajaj. If I want to find 332.8, so it's in the row. In the row, we have divisions. See here, A, 480.4, 332.8. Okay. I will use slash following hyphen sibling double colon TD. See here, how many I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm interested in third value. Okay. So I'll just write entirely like this. Got the value, guys?
Yes, sir. I have doubt in this point only. We had given that following sibling 3 times in the first time.
Yeah, that also we can do. Wait. Now, if I give following sibling of this following sibling, what do you think answer would be? What is the following sibling of A?
480.5.
See? So this represents A. Till this point, this represents A. Once you get this value, okay, let me remove this. This represents A. If I just put slash enter, this represents after A, 3 values. If I put this slash here, so this represents either 2. Now, if I got these 2 values, can I give the entirely of 1? Yes or no? Just playing around, guys. Just playing around with the XPath. Got it?
So instead of 1, if we give 2, the value will be plus 7.5.
That's it.
Okay, so if you're giving following sibling 1 time, and if we give like x of 4, then it will give plus 7.5.
Oh, let's see that also. Okay. If I give the following sibling of TD, following sibling of TD also you have to mention. Okay. That's the syntax. Now, it has 4 things now. So if you want the 4th one, it is again the same. Got 7.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, there is a concept of preceding sibling also. From 332, I want Bajaj Corp Limited. Okay. So for that same here we have to do, instead of A, I'll use TD, contains text as 332.8. Instead of preceding sibling, guys, I'll use following sibling. See, now it identified 332.8. This where trick starts. So if I give slash preceding hyphen sibling, you should make sure everything is proper. Okay, TD. So the first itself is Bajaj Corp Limited. Now, so instead of giving one, can I open this? Can I give A just like this? Did it identify Bajaj Corp Limited?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So let me copy this. Let me add to our program. Okay. Let me add this also so that everything is working fine. Now I just copy the entire thing. Here, not company name, company price. I'll just write so that it is proper. Company price. Company price. So let me copy this entirely. Let me add it here. So instead of company, I'll just write company one. Here exactly, I'll just write company. So I just copy the entire thing. Let me copy from here to the end. Okay. Now I want to get text of the company one. So I'll just get company as a string value. Company name. Company name and company name. Now I'll run it for the positive scenario. So I should not get any failure. Okay. Let me write Guru web table run as test in the test. It should identify both the things. Okay. So see here. First, it should identify the current price is 332.8 and the current price. Here I should change it. So the company name. Company name of price 332.8. Okay, I'll just run it again so that logs are clear. Okay. Right click, run as test in the test. Good guys. Okay. Let me here run refresh. Right, run as open with web browser. Got it. The company name is Bajaj Corp. The current price of the company is 332.8. Good guys. Didn't get it? Shall I explain it again?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Any more doubt, guys? Just two things we have seen here: web table and the fail screenshot. Any issues? Any doubts? Easy topic.
Just
I'll
one
share
more.
this file also so that you can
HTML page
practice.
once
Huh?
again. HTML page. Web table.
Huh.
So instead of that
You
A
want
in this
huh.
expand, if you are giving like 1, 2, 3, index of 3, will we get Bajaj Corp?
We'll get 3, but that, so it is again a division, right? So you're not getting Bajaj Corp. So we should write 1. and the two TD doesn't have a value. Okay, A has a value. You have to write like this.
So if we want a group name of that,
Okay, if you want a group name of it, just go back to. That's it. Because group name is in TD itself.
also.
So Bajaj Corp is inside the TD. After that, a child is A.
Okay. And then I'll be-
Okay, I'll, I'll share this file also. Okay, for you guys to practice. Practice anything. Okay, let's say there is a duplicates also. Hind Petroleum is duplicate, right? Hind Petroleum you can see here also. So I don't want to open Guru 99. Hind Petrol is here also. Chennai Petrol, I think that is unique. Try with unique ones. So I just copied it from Guru 99. You can copy it from anywhere. Okay. So I'll share this file. I'll share this program also. Try it. Okay. I think we have almost completed the small topics. So tomorrow and Friday, so Wednesday and Friday, we'll see the entire framework. Okay. And I think Saturday and Sunday you guys can build two frameworks. Take Saturday to build one framework properly. Okay. We'll give tom.test. We'll give com.utility here, where we can store logger file, step logger file. In in test, we'll give com.test. In main.resource, we'll give log4. And here also we'll give test.ng, pom.xml. Also, we'll have screenshots. This extend report, we'll save it as with date extension, so that every run will have extend report hyphen the date value, so that report is generated always. And also we'll give screenshots based on the name, value, and number of things you see. We'll have two proper classes. Okay. If you guys have not understood web table, let me know. Okay. It's very little advanced concept, but it's very important. For you guys, they'll just give a web table and they'll tell you to identify. Okay, that will be very crucial for interview purposes. If your project has web table, you can do it. If it doesn't have, that's totally fine. Any doubts, guys?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, then I'll stop the recording. Always watch the